Shoe, I don't know. It's a mixer, isn't it? Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Again.
Some sort of toy. I don't know. The
spin
spinning.
around.
The spinning. Not too sure.
No idea. Oh, like a bell, isn't it?
Is it?
I don't know.
I'm trying to cheat now. I've no idea.
No.
Oh, is this beard trimmer?
Oh gosh, is it?
Is it?
How would that work
Hair
then?
trimmer?
Yeah,
I
it
don't
is.
know. It looks like the,
doesn't
yeah,
it?
the top.
But
I don't know how it works.
oh, right.
Bushman's. It's a
Like a
Walkman.
Walkman. Cassette tape.
Yeah. I remember how we had to wheel them back.
Oh my god, the memories. Shoehorn. Or is it more to keep the shoe in shape? And is that like a flower press? I feel like that might be a flower press. It's a machine of some kind, but is it, do you think, I'm trying to think what
a juicer.
Yeah, that I could
Could be a
see.
juicer, you know.
Yeah.
This is actually a light switch.
Oh, right.
This is to go inside the lady's glove to stretch the fingers out.
Oh, right. Oh, that's funny.
This is not a toy.
It's not a toy.
No. It's to do with cotton.
Oh,
so it's
right.
to put cotton on. This is a press. It's a tie press. And this one is not a juicer.
Ah, I was fine.
It's a fishing reel.
Oh, very often.
Yeah, very often. Oh, okay.